So have you ever wondered how much money a YouTube video with 1 million views makes? Alright, so what do you guys think? If a video hits 1 million views, how much money do you think it makes? My best video hit 500,000 views. But how much money do you think a video like that makes? It's actually pretty surprising to me that no one really knows how much a YouTube video or YouTubers make on YouTube. Okay, first up, sorry for the bad lighting. It is literally nighttime right now. It's freaking dark outside. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a fat thumbs up. Alright, so the interesting thing is you can have two videos with around the same amount of views, but they literally can make a huge difference when it comes to the amount of money they make. And that depends on one factor, which is basically whether the video is longer than 10 minutes or shorter. And I think YouTube is changing the threshold to 8 minutes soon. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this matters so much because if your video is longer than 10 minutes, you can put mid-roll ads, which is basically ads midway throughout your video that people can watch. Obviously, people don't like that, but that's how YouTubers make money. Each time someone views an ad on your video, you make money. Alright, now we're gonna get into the important part of the video. So with my experience with YouTube and my calculations, a video shorter than 10 minutes long and with around 1 million views makes about $2,000. And this would mean that my video with 500,000 views made around $1,000, right? Also note that the number I gave is a rough estimate. It can vary up or vary down. Alright, so even more importantly, how much did I make with this video that has 500,000 views on it? Well, it turns out I made, drumroll, I made $760 off this video so far, and it's still going up little by little. Alright, so you might be wondering why I made so much less than $1,000 from this video, even though it has 500,000 views, and I said that 1 million views should make you $2,000. Now the reason for that is since my channel only got monetized and eligible to make money off videos when that video hit 200,000 views. Alright, so what are the factors that influence how much your video makes on YouTube? Location is a huge factor in determining how much your video makes on YouTube. Your video earns different amounts based on where your videos are played, but it also depends on the genre and the topic of your video. The topic of your video matters a lot too to determine how much money you're making off your video. A certain genre like gaming may make much less or more money than another genre like fashion or beauty. I don't know the exact numbers. Also, the age of your viewers influences how much money your video makes as well. And typically what I see is that the older your viewers are on your video, the more money you make. So this is the CPM of my video with 500,000 views. And as you can see, the CPM is around $5. $5 is actually pretty good. So what is CPM? CPM is basically the amount of money your video makes per 1,000 views on the video. But in the end, YouTube takes around half of that money away and keeps it to themselves. Greedy YouTube. So you're actually making only half of that. So yeah, it kind of sucks. Alright, I think this video is going to conclude here. So, like I said before, my video with 500,000 views made around $760 total. So I would say if you had a video with 1 million views, you can make anywhere between 1,500 to 3,000 or even more on rare cases. And with a 10-minute long video or longer, you can make even more money by putting more ads in between your video. But remember, in order to make money, the viewers actually have to reach the ads throughout your video. So you have to make your content interesting and people have to actually watch it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or if you didn't, I hope at least you guys found this video interesting or was helpful to you. Comment down below if you have any related questions to this video or to how you make money on YouTube or how much money people make on YouTube. If you're a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber, you can comment down below how much money you made off one of your big videos or your other videos. Lastly, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so. That's it guys, I'll see you in my next video and peace out.